Hi, Ella. What you doing? You gonna go night-night? Is it bedtime? Hello? Hi. Here, sit you up. Sit you up. Hold on there. Oh, look at your jammies. Oh, they're so cute, little hearts. Oh, they're so cute. Oh. Uh-huh. You really tired? You might have a little energy left in you. Oh, okay. You're hungry. Bye. Bye-bye. Oh, you're so funny, Ella.
You know how you get the floor. I mean, I'm fine turning around whenever you guys are.
Okay. Ella, do you see some birds? Some birds up ahead? Huh? She's having fun.
Yeah.
Oh, Ella, you're having a blast today, huh?
That's it.